Hello everyone, welcome to Python programming session 1. So this is a quick Python introduction session for revision purposes. So let's see. We will go through the Python programming language, understand what, why and how to start programming. Python is a high-level programming language. Python programs are very easy to write and understand and read also. Python can be utilized for a wide variety of programming solutions. Python is a high-level versatile programming language known for its readability and ease of use. It's widely used in web development, API development, data science, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and automation. Python's simple syntax and extensive libraries make it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. So it is widely used programming language across different types of programmers like learning programmers or experienced programmers. Python is a great choice for scripting, functional programming, object oriented programming, AI related projects, and many more. In general, Python can be installed on Windows, Mac OS, Linux flavors, distributions, and Unix also. You can start Python programming in any of the environments like local computer like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, cloud computing like GitHub, Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, etc. In your local computer options is like when you install Python, natively you can install all the libraries and you can directly use. And you can install Anaconda, which is another distribution. And popular IDEs like PyCharm, VS Code, IDLE, and Spider is also there for your Python programming. So that's all for the session 1. See you in the next session.